In a quiet corner of the world, where the morning sun paints the sky with golden light, a small bird opened its eyes to a brand new day. Its feathers glowed softly as the wind whispered through the trees. Every morning, the little bird watched the world from the highest branch. It saw the sleepy villages, the flowing rivers, and the clouds drifting slowly like dreams. But today felt different. Today, the world seemed a little brighter. With a gentle flutter, the bird spread its wings and soared into the sky. Up above, everything looked peaceful. Mountains stood like old guardians, and the earth below sparkled with life. As it flew, the bird saw many others: sparrows dancing in groups, parrots calling cheerfully, and eagles gliding with pride. Each bird had its own story, its own journey, yet they all shared the same sky. The little bird loved this freedom, this endless space where dreams had no limit. It sang a sweet, joyful melody, a song of hope and courage. The song echoed across the valley, touching the hearts of every bird that heard it. And soon, they all joined in. Hundreds of wings flapped. Hundreds of songs filled the sky. For a moment, the world stood still, listening to the orchestra of nature. Because birds don't just fly. They remind us that no matter how hard life becomes, we can rise again, spread our wings, and find our place in the endless sky.